actually getting out of the house. Oh, if I unlock the door first with the little dog, with my little troll. Come on, Fluff. Come on. Oh, tangled. There she is. Come on. Wait. Girl. I'm so dizzy right now. Hang on, Fluff. Come here. Good girl. I don't know if she's going to be warm enough in just this coat. Anyway, off we go. It's a beautiful night. Rolling. This could be a fun little close and easy location to shoot in. Doing like a nighttime shoot here. So with some smoke, fake smoke. Don't want anyone to steal the wheelchair. I don't want anyone to steal the wheelchair thinking they're doing someone a favour. Whew, dizzy. Second time I've dropped this glove now. I have to squat to pick things up. I cannot bend over or I will fall over. Waiting for me, my faithful steed. Slight issue in that for some reason this tiny dog doesn't like walking on my right hand side. She only wants to walk on the left hand side. So she's in my wheelchair until we're in a position where she can walk on my my left hand side again. I get past here quickly, so I'm having to walk quickly up a hill, which isn't great. And now there's a car coming. Can't get over that curb because it's like a foot wide and then it drops down like 20 centimetres. I have to go on the road. Oh, my spine. I've got a corset on, my sacral region right now. Not easy to pick my feet up off the ground. Okay, Tiny. Oh, just okay. I normally push myself up this hill in my chair again. Come on. Using my legs to move me. People get very confused when they see me moving my wheelchair with my legs. To be honest, I go downhill doing it. And you've got to fight against the downhill. It does push my knees apart. But quite literally, I can feel the bones from my shin. These, like the head, I can feel it being lifted out of the joint. You'd be amazed actually how much this works your lower legs. Home again. It's had quite a good walk. It was about 40 minutes. Cheeky little pal. So, my mouth is watering. When I went out for a walk with the pup earlier, something pretty amazing happened. I've got an appetite. I think I've eaten 4 of these. I'm going to make stew. I'm going to make a really big stew with dumplings. Weight gain things. Hobnobs. Loads of these. And there's that just tucked away in there with more loads. So I'm going to cook a stew because you can just cook the shit out of the vegetables, right? And I might stand a chance of digesting it. Can I taste this? I'm wondering if I can taste this. Hang on. It's sardines straight from the tin. In tomato sauce with loads of lemon juice over it. Should I lick that and see what happens? I can now eat lemon. Like a tangerine. Oh, not a problem. But I could eat lemons now, like as if they're sweet tangerines. That's how little I can taste. That's mental. That's my mouthful. I'm so hungry.